In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up on Klaviyo for your Shopify store in 2025. This process is straightforward, enabling you to engage with your customers more effectively and boost sales through targeted messaging. Sound good? Let's dive in. The first step in this journey is to connect Klaviyo to your Shopify store. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. If you haven't used Klaviyo before, you'll need to create an account first, but I'm sure many of you are already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the integration section. You'll find this option in the main menu, and it's important because this is where Klaviyo connects with various platforms like Shopify. In the search bar, simply type Shopify and click on it as it appears in the results. By doing this, you are essentially telling Klaviyo to link up with your Shopify store. Next, click on the Add Integration button. Here you'll need to enter your Shopify store URL. The URL is the unique web address of your store, and it tells Klaviyo exactly where to find your shop. Once you've input your store URL, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection process. These prompts guide you through setting the necessary permissions and integrations, ensuring everything works smoothly in the background. With Klaviyo successfully integrated with Shopify, it's time to create your pop-up form. Head over to the Forms section in Klaviyo. From the dashboard, you'll see an option on the left-hand menu for sign-up forms. Click on this option. Now you can either create a new form from scratch or select a template from the available options. The templates are incredibly useful if you want a quick start with a pre-designed layout. Customizing your pop-up is where your creativity really comes into play. Start by editing the text. Perhaps you want a catchy offer like "Get 10% off your first order." This grabs attention and provides value to your customers right off the bat. Be sure to add an email field so you can collect subscribers' information, or a phone number field if you're growing your SMS list. Your call to action or CTA button is critical as well, so something clear like "Get my discount" works perfectly. Adjust the colors, fonts and images so that they align with your brand's aesthetic. If you're offering a discount, don't forget to input the code as well. Once your pop-up looks great, click on Targeting and Behavior. This section allows you to define when and where your pop-up will appear on your site. This can include settings like displaying it to first-time visitors or showing it after a certain amount of time spent on a page. When you're satisfied with everything, hit the Publish Live button, and just like that, your pop-up is active. That's it! With these steps, you can now effectively capture your customers' attention right from your Shopify store. It's a powerful tool to increase engagement and boost your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.